There's a new man in charge of cricket in Westmoreland, and it appears to be causing some discomfort among executive members of the Jamaica Cricket Association. As Renata Brown reports, the new president is promising a shake-up of cricket in the West.
Meet Deltonia Williams, a businessman from the parish of Westmoreland and the new president of the Cricket Association. Williams is no newcomer to cricket administration, having previously served on the board of the Jamaica Cricket Association. Williams, who got elected unopposed, takes over from Sept Palmer following the association's annual general meeting recently. Atop the list of Williams' short-term objectives is the reinvigoration of cricket at the school level.
Westmoreland will be the home of cricket for Jamaica. That's where we're heading, because we're starting from the schools and the clubs. At our election, we had 20-something clubs that registered as we speak to join us. And we are going in the hills where we have to put a little concrete pitch for them to pay the wood bat and that and take them out. That's what we're doing now. So, and then the women cricket needs help. And that's where my heart is.
The tough-talking Williams is also not impressed with how the sport is being governed and wasted no time in calling out those in charge of the running of the sport.
People love cricket, people want cricket. We just, the administrators have to take it in hand and do some of the real work and not just advertise yourself that I'm this and I'm that and I'm that. That's how I see it coming back.
The arrival of Williams is also causing some unease among key figures at the JCA. According to TVJ sources, we were told that at least one executive member pleaded with Palmer to remain in the position as president. But known in the past to be quite vocal during board meetings, Williams says his return is solely based on cricketing reasons, as he will not be drawn into the politics of the sport.
First thing JC Jamaica Cricket have to do, whoever is going up for the presidency, to get Westmoreland vote, they have to show that they are ready to take cricket in hand. As I'll say it again, the politics in the cricket is worse than the politics with our Prime Minister on the other side. Worse. And I know that because I've been there and I'm back.
Former President Sept Palmer will now play the role as cricket operations manager to help with the restructuring of the game in the western end of the island. Former West Indies women's captain Stephanie Taylor will serve as public relations officer for the association. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.